Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Tuesday, September the 14th, 2010. These, by the way, are the market profiles that we like to use to get a good read on the market. This is today's market profile. This was yesterday's. This was last Friday. So the ones in the middle here, this is the overnight session, and this was last night's overnight session. So we had mentioned yesterday we were looking for support still around 1110, with our target being up there around 1123. So actually the market just played into that beautifully here today, with the low being right at 1110.25 and the high today at 1122.50. So just played into that. We're still looking at the same area. And as far as support and resistance goes, we've got still that's pretty good overhead up there. I think it's going to take some doing to get through the 23. It could happen, but we're still in the up mode on our daytime frame trades as a preferred side to be trading from. So really just looking for the same thing for tomorrow. Likely to get some consolidation. If it does, of course, break below 06 and hold, that would be quite a bearish development. We would expect additional down move from that, and that would change our intraday bias. We also like to use the market profiles from the regular trading session only, which is what you're looking at right now. And here is our software where it actually shows our specific trades. And you can see them here with the arrows. Here's a red arrow pointing down. We only had 2 of those trades today, and the second one was very, very late in the session, so we didn't take it. But you can see that we had other long trades that were triggered on the way up here that worked nicely. So as far as our short trades were concerned, this was our first trade here, the short one here, although it was into our support area down here at 10. So we knew it didn't have a lot of room to move. It did hit our first objective, turn around, and then we ended up getting long at 12 right in here, and ran that one up for a nice gain. And so that was our second trade of the day. As a matter of fact, Justin made an excellent video that I will have a link in the email that you received in regards to the link for this video. And I'd certainly recommend that you know, if you've got it's about a 15 or 16 minute video, I think, so if you've got a few extra minutes to go ahead and take a look at that, it's a very good video that he put together, detailing our second trade of the day today. So we were already long when this was in. This trade here, we didn't actually get filled in this one until here. Moved against us about a point and then for us about a point, so we ended up with a break even on that trade, and that was the third trade for the day. So a couple of break evens and a real nice profit on trade number 2, and that's really about it. Those were all the trades that were signaled and that we entered today. So not a hugely profitable day, but the market did play into what we thought it would do, and so the trade worked really nicely. As a matter of fact, this number 2 trade that I put this check mark beside over here, this is actually the kind of trade that we want to hold, maybe even until the end of the day. It's that powerful a setup. This one, it obviously backed off today after reaching up there. 2250 backed off and closed around 16, so backed off a fair amount from the top. So wouldn't be surprising this market pulled back a bit, but we're still looking at that support area around 1110. So thanks for taking the time to view the video. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So have a really good day. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.